Before starting our practice today, I'm going to share a very good short story about consistency, motivation, and keep on struggling. Once upon a time, there were five frogs. Five frogs. They were passing from a field, and two frogs were fallen down in a small hole, and they tried to came out from that hole. Three frogs were standing upside of the hole, and two frogs were inside the hole, and they started jumping. After a while, what happened? All frogs who were outside from the hole, they told, don't try, you cannot come out, you cannot do this thing, stay there, and this is very difficult, said you will able to come out from that hole. These three frogs discouraged two frogs who were fallen down in that hole, and one frog stopped struggling. But there were other frog who was keep on struggling, jumping, try. And the three frogs who were outside from the hole, they were telling, please don't try, you cannot do that, you cannot came out from that, just listen, the other one have stopped. So we are telling you, if you're trying, you will get injured. But the thing is that that frog was keep on struggling, and eventually that frog came out from the hole. And all three frogs who were outside from the hole, and they were very astonished and asked, how you did that, please tell us. You know what happened? The frog who came out was unable to listen. His sense of listening was not there. He was not able to listen anything. His sense of listening was not working. What happened? People will always discourage you, people will always demoralize you, people will always disappoint you, majority of people. Please stop listening those people and keep struggling, keep working, whatever you are doing. Don't give importance to the people on their negative opinion about yourself. If you are giving importance to their negative opinion, so it's mean this is your biggest mistake. Just listen positive things and try to work on positive opinion, positive advices. If people are appreciating you, encouraging you, and telling you you can do this if you are doing hard work, so please follow those people. So therefore, what I want to tell you, why I shared this story with you, that please try to understand, this is very easy. You can learn any language if you are practicing. So now we are going to do our spoken English practice number 22, and I hope the story which I told you will help you to encourage yourself, will help you to encourage you to work hard and do more work. If you are investing more time on anything, you will get more results. Do you know what is the difference between extraordinary people and ordinary people? Only the difference is the word extra. Ordinary people is working ordinarily, and extraordinary people is working extra. If you are doing anything extra, you will get the best results. If you will see any shopkeeper, any grocery shop in your area who is giving you extra things, or who is giving you extra things, mean, for example, a person is selling sugar like whatever price, like 80 rupees kg or 60 rupees kg, and other person is giving you like 1 rupees less. So it's mean he is giving you margin, he is giving you extra things. So people will always prefer to purchase from those shops who are giving less price. So it's mean he is giving you extra profit. So if you are working extra, if you are a student, you are studying 4 hours, please start to study 6 hours. 2 hours you are working extra every day. So it's mean in 1 month 60 hours you are working extra. You will get the results. If you are doing a job, give 1 or 2 hour daily extra, you will see the results. So therefore, now we are going to do our exercise spoken English practice number 22. The topic for this is fears. F-E-A-R. People used to say fear. It's not fear, it's fear. Are you afraid of flying? Question number 2. Are you afraid of ghosts? Question number 3. Are you afraid of giving a speech in public? This is very difficult thing, and people have in their mind that speaking in front of public is very difficult and they can't do, and in reality it is very difficult, because I have personally experienced and observed all these things. Public speaking is very difficult. How you can speak in front of public? When you are doing practice. When you are doing practice, if you are speaking on different different places in front of public, like 15 people, 20 people, 35 people, 40, 50, with the passage of time, because you are practicing, so you will improve a lot. Therefore, a lot of time, if you will ask any student or any person to sing a song in front of people, they will say, oh, I can't speak, my voice is not good, I don't remember any song. They will give you excuses. The reality is that they are unable to face public, they are unable to sing a song in front of public. So therefore, to hide this weakness, they are giving you other excuses, like I told you. That is the main reason. But if you I think I also observe, you also just memorize that. If you know some people like who are ready to sing in public, so they are always ready to sing because they have do a lot of practice. Therefore, you will just tell them please sing a song, they will start singing, because they have faced a lot of time public. Therefore, they are speaking, they are singing. Are you afraid to going to the dentist? Are you afraid of the height? Are you afraid of horror movies? Are you afraid of the darkness? Are you afraid to die? Are you afraid of getting old? Do you fear any insect or animal? Do you know anyone with a phobia? Phobia means any fear. Do you like horror movies? Is there any person you are afraid of? What is your biggest fear in life? What kind of things make you nervous? Do you ever have nightmare? Have you ever seen any reality TV show where people face their fears for money? What is your biggest fear? Have you overcome any of your fear? Are you afraid of being ill? Are you afraid to ride a motorcycle or cycle? Are you afraid of to drive a car? Are you afraid of death? How do you handle with your fear? Do you have any form of phobia? Are you afraid of speaking English? Are you afraid of speaking English? Please ask this question with yourself. Are you afraid of speaking English? This was the question. Spoken English practice number 22. I asked all question. Now you can listen this question 2-3 times and then you should try to give the answer. Listen question 1, give answer. Listen question 2, give answer. Listen question 3, give answer. So in this way you are improving your listening skills and you are improving your speaking skills. And I am trying to ask all those questions which are like a daily use, everyday use question. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. Share this video on social media with your friends. Click on the bell icon so you will not waste, you will not miss a new video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.